Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Thermaltake CT120 EX Reverse ARGB sync fans, and these are also available in 140mm versions, and the installation steps will be exactly the same. So the big difference between these two fans is these are standard forward facing fans, whereas these fans have the blades reversed on them. And that's what the fans look like. This is the standard facing fan blade, and you can see here the blades have been reversed. The reason Thermaltake have done this is they want the good side of the fans being on display. For example, if you wanted to have this fan set as an intake, you would have to turn it round and have the ugly side of the fan on display. But a much better option is to get a version of the fan where the blades have been reversed, and then you have the good side of the fans on display everywhere. So I'm going to be installing the fans down at the bottom of the case set to intake. So I'm going to be showing you the reverse blade fans installation. But again, installing the standard blade fans, the process is going to be exactly the same. So this is really going to be one of the easiest fan installation videos that I have made. So if we take a look at the fans, on one side of the fans we have these little metal pins, and on the other side we have these little metal plates. So in terms of joining the fans, all you're going to want to do is make sure that you're joining the pins with the plates. And once you have, the fans are going to connect magnetically, so it's just a matter of bringing them into contact with the other fan and they're going to clip into place. And there we go. That's our three fans joined together. You get three connecting cables, allowing you to connect the fans up individually if you wish. So you'll notice in the end of the connecting cable we do have an arrow, just a matter of lining the two arrows up, and the connector is going to clip into place. We've got two cables coming from the connector. On one of them we've got a 4-pin PWM cable. That just needs to go into system fan header on your motherboard to power the fans and allow you to control their speed. And on the end of the other cable you've got a 3-pin 5V ARGB cable, and again we plug that into a header on our motherboard. It's going to allow us to control the lighting on the fans. And good to see that Thermaltake have included a daisy chainable connector, allowing you to plug additional ARGB devices into this cable.